ni firi ne kuri akuya pemfo ayemfo wo kronim ani munyamfo me bumu fere mo pa mesra mo da akuya pempolo no woni sa edi akuya pem no emfiri ni din so because you supaya wo da na di no emfata akuya peman enye enkoye enye da ababa we friji no ho me na mishaya senka akuya peman be so ya kasa ababa we ni super bia wo ye ni kwan se ye di akuya pem no da no so Jesus Christ me da was say in the day so okronkron ni no nokwafo animunyam ne ayeye enka odin dada osoro ne asase fo ade nyina sutumfo Ewrade wona udi mu na nkotodwe nyina ekoto ena no pay so na ba wanim eni metiefo nyina ebre ye ho ase ehye wunyunu no ase ena anopay Ewrade me so se fa me mu ne kasa kire wo ma ene den mpai bo ne se boa me na manka ni pasem ma me ketema eja edare mfimfin ma me mo maso nye den che matanfo ma me yakoko duro eni nimdi aye de kanokre ma me nimdi nyansa ntiase eni humu wo wasemu Don't go me home concron be fami si una so na ene dey message wo se wo sene na de koye nuanum Ghana fo ene ye Christopher wo wiase afa na nyina no Ewrade fami mu ne fa brasansa wa ye bida ebre bi atwa mo fa abo mu kura kasae na nkanye se meni onipa ene nti Ewrade be fami si una so ene dey ne kasa fami mu me bra me dia koma nyina hye wonsa se bra koma bi ase na entie wasem e wo Jesus Christ di mu amen. Order for me ma akwaba ene anopay emse ene anopay wo humi na nsan na me ba wi akakra but ene ya anopa e wo se me ba na me no be kasa na emse Monday no me no be kan ensem kan ye bi kakra bi me kasa kakra bi Monday no and I will continue a little bit na de wo ho bia na me de aba na me hunu se enipa yira na nipa ewu. People are perishing and a lot of people also are dying. Na me tena se na me hwehwe me madesua mu no me hu se ye mu bebre se onyame efre ne a ya na we don't want to obey rules. The onyame pesa yenye no ya na yenye especially Africans. Na me tena se gene ho manti ase me matna meti abrochire me hu abrofo broni ka se nyame afre no na broni ka che so nyame wa fre me na wasoma me se me nko ha broni ntoto ne nan ase yetimi to broni from America ye na kodua Africa kuro bi so obi yetimi to no free ha onyame timi to no free ha o no na kodua Africa kuro bi so bi kra ba bi o no kra light ni o ofra brochiro no wa bre no ho ase amanyame asem na woko me need to abrofo imu omo wo calling onyame frefre omo na me hwese de omu di omu djuma e differ from ye Africans onyame frɛ ye ne na I wonder timiti wa me dwendwene ho nam se no asem ntia wana e drop ensem wo madwen mu bebre na me sha mitimi hu se the downfall of Christianity ama manfo emu Christianity a nipa dodo na fi se Christianity ayira eya sofofo bia onyame so enka wo so wo baabi they don't want to go and na amasa nyama we nyina aba because me tena se hu se onyame so wo baabi a ho no wo pese wo kogina no wo manifesting itself efa wo mu nti so wo draw circle bi se gina ha o pese wo kogina ho no wo be hye wo mu da no ho di wo sa circle mu nti so wo kase kogina ha na wankwa kogina ho a nya dia obe manifesting itself nti wo soma kwa ha me huni says Africans mum ye nye obedient to God nti adwuma wiye brem Ewrade pese wo de ye no enam se ye nye obedient to him nti yentumi nye metena se hwe news journalist for any news broadcasters metena se hwe de biara da sa akonsi baabi a hu de be ye na CNN fo duro otumu se ye tutu tear gas na mu eniema bomba kese na ojinemu ekotokoto na wo ma o report die esi ho adwuma o nipa adwuma o de ne life ato ne nsem akogina ho eyi nipa adwuma ekotokoto broadcast na adwuma o nipa na afa na onye awrade. Every time you see these reporters, they go to danger zones. I want to go a reporter. Yet, ya shall see yourself in Pensoba. The China and the Italy, no one croneba. Baby, who you danger no hospital when you pay no one will say news and they say broadcaster. Why, what was this in which in a reporter and your brain yet tiffy? I say it's true, would you mania the Nejumaninti, what done Nejumani so much as said, I can cheer you the man on the year. Nti baby e be so many bia so be wuo so wuo na me de toto ye ne asofo about this time omo omusu nyame afra omo this time na me hu say we are cheating God, ye cheat Awurade, and we disrespect him and we don't follow the rules. Minim se Africans nko a onyame fra esa wo special akonwa bia wo de Africa fo asiso omo de omo nkobre womo de omo nko ba bia ahiafo wo enti senya o Africa ni ka senya me afra me a o pese one e woni se woda ne kam o pese e woni se wo body coat o pese e woni se woda asore kese ano o pese e woni se woda nam TV so radio so ye body din na wadenden ba se nyuma no ye wayifo ni bi ho no ma wonyame pese wo soma nkofo bi ba bi ho light kura ni ho. But when it comes to Africans, obi a pese wo ye big enti wona nkwa kura na se why na nyame asoma na obeko because ade bia e hyase free store na de abasoro de ye won nyina akoso wo ye man gan mu a enema nkoyi nyina no e hyase free nkura na se e hyase free fam e na abasoro enti wona nyame afre wo ma na go soma wo no se ka wo ye obedient to God akọ ba bia wo soma wo mo a nkanye ne se nyema age ye nsem nkanye no kanye ne se nyema age ye nsem yi wo be hia bruni wa bo degree okuta ni PhD okuta adwuma papa na nyame afre no wo se die ntia me fra wo ne se me pese wo koye homeless for ho adwuma next at say ni prayer wa ko ni suku papa bi abo degree ye adwuma no wo jai no wo tebreji ase abo tent no wa ye homeless for pastor ni calling no te wo broni o e be dey se tuntum e be di sa adwuma no nti se me di abrofo no toto yen e be before this time you see nyame afra na gabo no e big e super na me busa me ho se why is that ye di nkiyeti ye hiamu nka ya ka wo hia but when it comes to wo nyame se you wo fra wo bi kure firi kumase ye kumase no se me pese me de koto kodwo betiako light ni ho as matter of fact kwan ne kora mo ko na pemfo te ka di ma kurun no bako na wapon me pese wo ko hokoye adwuma sofo no wonkoda e mako eni tie nyame ne edeko but wo di fo trufu bi be sori a wo sori firi o hyase firi kura na se en wo wuwu ni se fo ade be duru kurom nti na wo se ke bi kan ko stop no wa kura na se before he come to town. But these pastors, the ones that say God called them, everybody wants to be a star. Everybody wants to be famous. Everybody wants people to see. But obia person what na TV so, obia person what na radio so, obia person obeko baby a kurasi tu nyame ma ho no mbeba be ekos akasa. But Bruni die nyame freni from America. Wotimi to ne free abrochiri de ne koto bolegatanga. Ebi kura na wo kasa wo kan wonte. Obetena ho awie banche. Ntuntum ba wi no na wo yare. Ye hwe ade say John Wesley no ma. Mi gidi passe baby onyame fa wo free a wo mutumi du Africa na nya komo. Eye nei ene onyame fra Africa ni bia nko wonko. Nti mi busa me ho say enyi nyame ba ko na yasom ni ya na. Ye yo ene ya tena se ama nipa bi ade onyame chichiri fom because obi a onyame afra wo no wo bibi ma wo de ye. Asofo ni nyina se wo metena nkran. Asofo ni nyina se wo betena kumase. Enti ehefo na nkokura na se. Sesi amenu kasai sa Africa ni wo America ha. Na onyame fra no ka chense wo pese wo de go back to Ghana ekurase. okoye na dwuma onkoda. As a matter of fact, ne hu nipa kura beka se eye setback. Wo mo beka se nyame ne no te ye no onsan konko tie biem. Enti amanfo be calling, attack them when you mean you sue because the place that he want them to go so that he can manifest himself. They say they won't go. And anybody be won't say kind and no come. Also for you should ask God. Say we are there. What from me? And he now person menko. You should ask this question. But ne ya so for be than businessmen. E be than connection men. E be to air condition mu. Even Ubia Bonte Crown, what a gano, Ubia come sing. Ubia Bonte Crown could be no. I can't say yes to don't know what the air condition. No, I saw Facebook Live, listen so. Wa bra woman child Moshiano, a man for come sing. You couldn't go for Chini Pamoja, no air condition. They don't want to work hard, and I'm telling you today. If you people didn't rise up and listen to the word of God, and do what he wants you guys to do. One day, the day that you hear the trumpet is sounding, the people who are on the bridges, those people can fly. Because you don't want to allow yourself for God to use you. Say my friend, and you see digital. What's it going? And then the son of Kanye. What's it going? Son of Radia Samaka. What's the Kwama Memu in Uncle and the for? Son of Kayo. Our Matthew 28, 16 to 20. No. What's the Kwama Memu in Uncle and the for? And to Uba Christoma and Quanjo or the amount. Uba Baba Yajuma, because one also Yajuma was show board John 14. Some Mawakum to do. Juwanyango Pondi, Juwano Sudi, Natanabia P. Waneja Fie, and Tissan Concasso Sisi baby ama. And see what Juma and one also Koyajuma was so, or Coco Sisi baby ama. Would you also do or don't say Yamu yet, but one of the importance in Sisi baby. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. Africans, Nigerians, say we are different and more software. Mudi mufa woni to from na mufa ye ntoto abrofo no mu daade se broni bie na no say unyame afra me wo se me nko ha straight so what you say edefo yi se wo mu nko evangelists for se wo mu nko missionaries se wo mu nko why na nko why nti edefo atofo yi be kokobo kios no must say the pagum and the oil, and the Niema, and the side in Konyaye, and we need the when you come. It's because God sent you, you didn't go. This is the time I was so for almost tenacity. No, almost show money per diem, no money make us. Now I jump baby or Monfanco Perade, no one can change this say ready. So my baby opposite may be a record. I wonder. Nipewo. People are marching to Hades every single day. Every single day, people are marching to Hades. By Yamin Crofo, won't see Yamin Money won't. Won't see Yamia Flower, and Yamia Flower, what do you say? Was he a day? Again, was he? Was the Clube Suna Kujina, Nekanasam? Was the American Kwana Bravo? Was the lending Kwanako? For whatever to be talk of Krana say, I want you on Casako, I want you to many for me. What? The many. Last night, mission news. A Krubiso, a Brutu Kribi. Baby, me with you, Odin. Kakranko, or I won't come into one of the motor, no ice, and no more than them. And I won't come some way, and no more dear, and they say, Atadia no more dear. No missionaries if we be called a quaquaya do Bruni. Tum Conda. I wonder. And we are the one we brag so much. We brag to Unimo, Unimusra Womeso, Unim Dunyame, Unimaduma Womeso. We are the one that we brag. Yet you remember your betting so. But the actual the job that God wants us to do, we don't do it. Obia big. Obia siswa, opesu the one chance you na broke on anymore and then they pay. But no, everybody have their job. Me kai me papa shi ko Ghana. Otie nipa no anka nipa bebrebu na bam. Nipa people in the church. And odru Ghana no o hasa na manfo hu de oye. Odru nyame ka se ko Ghana. Odru Ghana, you see what God is doing through him. One check it now, what's not check? One check in the Niama, ye in the day, he listen. A musician, a yesterday musician, our secular music. I see Yamene, I see me Bruchire, Akogana, no matter what, to do the work. But people who are in there, the ones who are born in there, you will meet who follow, they were still there. I wonder. Asa yenyini mkwajia onyamidia mayen enso yebo but sika ewiasemo en ahonyade eno ye pechin enkwajia onyankopon dia mayen na wado papa ne be pay price. Think about it. Papa ne be pay price. Eno wose wo ko onyamunyanka obesoma honkonkon kwankyerefo na manaba nti munko mama munyina munko ene suafo. Na one church one say, when need you washing in also. Now I know and could see we are serious. Namia was so no way. What is the office? Who's who move? What's the way you read your swim preaching, preaching? When the TV swam tonight, let us own your software. When you clum a sonic academy and now, a chest of your software. All of you, most of you, 99%, you failed Christ. You failed the man. When are you bruni? And when you to Kosha Bridge as a canco. Into the beer yadiano, and then you may shout, you be the penny, I'm a nipper who says, Shira, I have no muniama. In Shira, a cast, in Shira, you fear, in Shira, the Sauber Insurance will be dying, insurance will be warrior, insurance will be war, and only you preach it to for your puppets because that's what we believe. But yes, I'm already yes to Christ to DJ. One casa meko, Monko Montinko Pesica, no munya mohun say tam. He did not say that. He didn't. He didn't say that. Until now, on you to give my microphone so, or to the man, or Cassa de beginning or to the man. Or shall see an almost Ubuduku. None why mobo. Or Sabbath to be the Yamish Ubus and also the Kem was see from Nebia Banshing you known in the moon. And none ye printed it tray. And no, and now software into food, a printy and the chinipa. And no, any ye printed the chinipa. Eh, ya bebre. Matthew chapter 15, verse 8 in the can. Was in yano, and walk were ready, but Yakuma, a word chichi. Akumano were chichi, yano, ne defend ready. We want so much things until we can't humble ourselves to do what God wants us to do. Until we busamo, what is the difference between Yeni and Brofon? What is the difference? I don't know, Brofon, you're obedient to start. Let's go baby before my we are not obedient to God. Why? Why? I'm profoundly obedient. Say you be when you make us obey. I quite remember late John Paul Jackson. Also, when you Juma, no Yamisuma will be from Israel or Barbesia, and also Kukuras Messiso. Radio no so me hwehwe abrantie bi odi ne din nyina ma o hwehwe abrantie kro no se mede be hu o se de obefre last eye sa abrantie na o muti radio yi so o befre abrantie unti na me baye o onyame fre suma me free Israel unti na me baye o se brese kokoye na djuma fre wo na wo ko na me twen na we afre enye ono a we afre enye ono a we afre enye ono a na wono na yese won fre no ono a che wo se na branche ko so fry na mami nyai kasai mami atre radio so na fro. Da wo fre. They say mami aka krabi no apon. Fre no mami nya ikasa. Tie ho na ye na homete. Actually last minute no se me kra me fresh sia. Me friend no man kasa you were live on air. Me de beto so. Normally so frɛ emiem fa unto you are live on air right away. My ne frɛ ya ne dem. Efri mame no se brante ade. Ade no ma kwan sa. Wonti no nyame de maba. What's this sorry na kokoye na juma? The man stop everything. Everything. And he become a great man of God. With your bruni. And when you am he work hard. So what you say? But when it comes to Africans, they don't do it. Obia pa konya kesi asunti wo wura wo masori dem na wo se sampa ahantan a show wo se batakani na konya wotimu no ebeka se Yesu Kristo no se akonya me ba metena so ntuntu bobi na tena mu no pufa akonya ni on pio ni yeye ne papa no sifa ko obia so emumrantie na nka mojamu nyame afre wo mo wiye brim a wose ko mo bubuga no emrantie ni nyina pecheche sofo. I wonder nti die koso nyina fra wo nyame afre mo a wo mo modjuma mo mpese mo limiti adjuma no anything wo nyame ntimi manifest very powerful in you enutia nanka wa ma wo nkwaje die bi no mfama wo nkwaje eye ade so sika ne jete ntimi ndo wudi adanse ese onyame de nkwaje fisura dom nti die bi no wanya wo ti obi eye de nkwaje fisura dom die woni wiase mu niema nka twaka me na wo a wo se timi dada obi ma so ge o tim ko timi firi mu akote ne de nti mu beja wo se onyame won ta mochi no. He no akohye sisitim. Se ka mu tie wo nyame voice a kenye ne se di fotofafa o man ya fai. Nkenye ne si yekum nipa yi. Amanfo ka na muso mo ka bi. But mu ankasa mo feli urade. You don't listen to the calling. They will say you don't want to do it. You brag to people. Me also for me you say. But the juma bi wo ho unyame pesa wo ye that one you don't want to do it. Because I want you to do a classy. Until you don't want to do a classy job. Now I'm not go classy one and Cassandra woman. Why? Ubia pedam. Why? Ubia pesi huno. Why? Brabru chebere. You are brofuni bi wo. What a bridge asio. Where you homeless for pastor. Until me so share homeless for. And you want Jesus who na dey homeless. Ubu ho man call it unyame na soma no ho unyame na soma no ho aprofi kuta heart aye di ye nyame aduma so wo so wodi bone pa but nyame frɛ no pa o mo fa ni agro di obedi sika so wo disika enyemo di enkitikiti bi wo disika to top private jet etimi to airport for himself or no one kasa the airport by yai kamle obedem efia obedem nti no was say efra onyame dia friend emobo Mr. Rade say ohun asofo mobo ya monto mani na mo hwe obi fa obi nipa adwuma mo fa mo hontoto e dey say broadcasters no CNN fo no se de bia ye so mo ko danger zone no mo kokoye adwuma o mo ye nipa adwuma na wo ye onyankopon adwuma na wo si danger zone ho. You don't want to go there because you will die. You are afraid you won't get food to eat. You are afraid you won't have a good place to sleep. You are afraid you won't have a good car to drive. Timumu bebre, ma failure already. Tidi akosoi, mumu bebre mo ka ho. Because seke jani sha, enka bebe and once na aba be telephone no ho. Se jana der burubura. And once na free him, sake ye tie urade ni, ana soma wo soma no, obi e kwa. And ye di teaching si ku fam a, to free coma sorry them could be in Siwo. Could be in Siwo. Ubi a petition so. Ubi a pese a bruchin or the Juma. Ubi a pese TV soon or the Juma. Ubi a pese radio soon or the Juma. Ubi a peso big one thing. No. No. Nti dia koso. Mo bebre mo failure ready. Nti go back on your knees. Pray to God. Na nkwaje wadi ama no esombo pa. Ahobrasia woni nti ontumi manifesting wo mu. Baby osigina no you can't stand there. Me sinti na Yesu wo sakia sokofuru dua oka chenso wonsi from because you cannot be up there to see him. You have to calm yourself down. But now pastors, most of them they are climbing up. They don't want to come down. They want to be bigger than their boss. When also say akwazi ura Yesu kan was say and they say ewie no ma wo prebu na so nipa ba no ni baby odi ni tito. O master no ni baby a odi ni tito. And was say akwazi ura wo de wo so wa nya mansion an naka mu a wo nya sofo ye mfra. Busa wonsa papa no wo ba no wo ro ni mu nyam gusoro ohun no ho se oba ba ye adwuma nti hi otiki ne niema egusoro aba fom eni nipa ye pe onu kro wo ye onyame usane ba fom onu no ba fom o nti se wo ma fom a papa no ontumi fa wonye hwe onti se wo be ba fom no ontumi fa wonye hwe na me to be di so hwe yasofo yi bia bebre they don't want to come down. Nti so nyame soso waseke baby sa hane gina na me manifest me se wanyina ho a o manifest no ho da sa dete o si gina ha uso unko gina ho onkasa na o hwe so obeda no ho di pa wo tumi so ama ni panyina ho se ai nyame na ye onye da until say wo be ka mo self down no wako gina baby o pese wo gina. Get this obiesi so pese o yese Duncan Williams. Obiesi so pese o yese sofo akosi ewa. Obiesi so pese o yese sofo Aginasari. Obiesi so pese o ye all these pastors. Obiesi so pese o peja quickly no yese sofo kumi. Did you know the time, the hours, the years that takes them to be where they are? Did you know? Did you know? Nti the young boys moja wona chira wo mumu young girls be ye juma what sifra no pa wote onyame si eku efiriye me pesa wote pa nso mo bu na ni eguso na wade ne ye ne deche juma no onyame so nkonkoye no obu na ni eguso na juma no ni business no ye ne deche bibia but wonim se nkoje a wonya no esombo sisika energete esombo. Sometimes deeper life are so for be to be a mubi a good pa. When you're so focused here pa, obi na not to say yes on your makers. But we shall be set here, shall not be sure. One here, we never gonna remember Ghana for one to be kobo. The so really panama to say yes. Nyamitimu was shall previous too, and where you're Juman. So what you say? Sanity, to go back on your bed. Pray and sleep. Ask God. And I don't cast me be na manya na. And it is when you miss small was one qua. Yamin to be manifested. I feel be no one no much no pinro. And no, and I'm a prayer falling this time. Be prayer falling. Then they made me too full. When you know message say you when I'm young cause your voice on the back to so who yet na sorry. Who yet see complete into wake up. Nti se wontia sanity. Nti dia koso wo man ni mu ejamama dokro wo man ewudia dokro wo man eni mesai no eyemumu bebre calling na onyame de mamu no kamokoya ekua people lot na kura na se na sofo ye soma wo kura na se wo ho na ne ko kasa ye na kire ne bible mu kenye ne se waduru nkran a wo bu ne party se kutupompo ne otane da ho no nkenye no kenye ne sa osi e friend ekua pimpolo he me ekua pimfo mo ho na ekua pimma mo ho me bumpa ferem ekua pimma minim se kuapem polo ye kuapem ni minim ba okuapem man mame anoto amete ya mebu mu pa me fere mu pa me respect mu because mu bu mu se akuapem polo se ho ahwani no sa edi akuapem no mo mani nyimfre ni din so na wo gu okuapem man enyum ase sa edi akuapem na da no so se obebo ni tutu bra aye niema sa edi akuapem no akuapem man okuapem man mu ho mesra mo ahemanfo ni ahemfo mu okuapem mo oda lady no woni sa edi akuapem no emfre ni din so no wo de say wo man ni din di ote yantio di ote yante sa ne ma me wo no edi ne papa wo no wo ma ni din a wo fa sa di ni free ne kuri akuapemfo ahemfo wo kronim ani mo nyamfo me bu mu fere mo pa mesra mo woda akuapempo lo no woni sa edi akuapem no emfre ni din so because you supaya woda na di no emfata akuapeman enye enkoye enye da ababa we friji no ho me na me hwaya senka akuapeman be sori akasa ababa we ni supa bia wo ye ni kwan se ye di akuapem no da no so but ya sha edam so ni wodidi muko de bia ye bebo ni di bia akuapem ene di kan di ote yante like I said me fere akuapem for na me bu akuapeman pa enti mu wada lady no wonyi edi akuapem no emfiri ni din so simple as ABC simple say ya wa won chest kokoda simple say ya because no na mi buse akuapem polo wo se o mentor ni Cardi B me mo Cardi B wa America de wo ye ma Cardi B nye so be Cardi B bi mo busa wo boss Cardi B no a wo kire o se di si bu atopa wo badwam busa ne se de wo ye ya agent ha no se Cardi B ye bi wo kuro America yi mu no wo be ye Cardi B bi mo ko won sere me Africans ye bibia acha se oh ewrade se ewrade ewu ye mobo ha se ewrade se wo ye mobo no won twitwa de ma bi so a ye mu dudu e bi tu akọ wi mu ni so ye small me nada ye mu bi pa be kono because the kind of mindset that we have no enkoyi Mr. Krum ha obi a stripper or a stripper o a single mother or ne ba ne tie ne ba ne hu se ne ma me ne stripper da ni nyina ne se wono a wo ye adwuma ne kora no wo hu ne se ye ne nguase adwuma nti wo ma ne ba hu da obe ye stripper no akopa adwuma foforo bi aye e Saturday wo hia no ne ba na mo wa dress si fom no kura ne bansa no wo ye shopping o ma ne ba ne hu so wo ye stripper da ni nyina ne se oni obi wo nipa na nhwe no enema nkoyi nti wo so wo ye adwuma no wo de ahene ba o mo krampo no o ma ne ba ne hu se wa dress se wo ko akoye edesai stripping e wo club na ne dress na ne ba ne hu no way but me kru bia me film ye niema ma ne broso e ma ne gentre ha ye wi niema mu TV station ma na no to ameti ha utuni aba ne me a me ka onyame asam me ba nya me ho asam na me de ba ye me ka onyame asam no ya no sei ne ka wasam ma ye ba bi gina mo ma ye TV su bi etna ne ye kenya nsasam eto ni pagim nso obi be wuro na hu neke mo na mo gigi so mo na mo gigi so na tie mo gigi so no asam onyame wo mama mo gigi so no tie asam onyame wo mama bi o Bible no ko Isaiah chapter 5 verse 20. You Bible no ko. Wasi wonie. Wana wo frɛ bɔne sɛ papa. Ni papa sɛ bɔne. Wana wode esum ye han. Na wode han ye sum. Wode nyonyono ye de fremfrem. Na wode fremfrem ye nyonyono. Wonie wana wo ye won ara ani so nyansafo na woyɛ won ani so ehuhufo eno wonue nsanumu emerima ne nsafra emu ahodenfo wote so bi ka se due ewu bibi ho mo jeje piapim poloso onyamesi munue sansa mo frɛ papa se bone no mo frɛ bone se papa sa krusu yi wo mo ho me se o mutumi hye wo ma de no ekɔ 100k wotina se kanya me engineer they don't want to hear it, they don't want to listen, but we better rest in peace. Me pesa me chira mo rest in peace na say e rest in punishment and you rest in peace. We yes we know nyame nko me busa o say nipa na tia asase so no nyame na tia no nti wabo mu na chira wado de wo be na asase so ene na be chira say wo nyame na ne wo ko ana wo ne bonsam ene ko. So what you say? Nipa ne wo pe nkosefo odi nyina ne aboatra yesi nyame fa ne kransie o wa asase so no no odi ne kransie nyame mu ni busa woti asase so no obu awurade fere no ni busa obi de ne nkosefo wia wo pe yesi nyame fa ne kransie nti nyina nipa ne biblia atro me sa asem ne megya atro rest in peace no megya atro because you do not rest in punishment. You rest in peace. Me geti na brabo na me shedi otina asase so ye ya. Me nya me hu control rest in peace. Me nye. So what you say? Shedi ke isha se wo ye. Abranti your friend say ya. Na ba na mo ex husband osembo. Me theater bia no se watena se me tu maba wane mrantiefo unsa brabo no nyame na shira nyame na yese next minute we be shi osebo no skirt one time me nigi agani mu bi na ka kire me osebo store na wono no tim se nyame yeshira no ho a wo to ne nyema nti utimi tirim tu ngofofo no na agali akua pimpo no yi no wakoto bu na atopa no wotu sika gu ne so abrantie yo so obi ne msa so obi ne mafa ne yiri nti wone na jai no listen tiepa all these people they say they go to church omodo woman no defend ready all these people they say they go to church so go church dia eni onyankopon asem ka Deuteronomy 22:5 waso wo ba won hyebere ma de no bere ma nso nhye wo ba de ntie ba ne sai ena afedi ye man ga ne mu wo cheba santini ba afedi ma da de na ahyi wada ne semansa woman onyi ne se juma wudie no e kire e de say semansa woman fo trumudifo yi e kire wo mo what to do wo be shaka de wo be friend fashion wo be shema da de nti so wo ba bi hia no na wo mu ne se wo ye bema yeso wo ba wo mu ade ni nyina ne se once me hu se wo hye e mata de te se me de yi bi no me hu me no mi no se yi nyina ye ma Bible is to kan se e pre ne be ko wi ya e ma be da ne berma ne merma ya ketachie nti ka sabri je ka berma bi ye ketachie na juma ne sai ketachie no kro nim de ketachie ne ye e sakre nipa abrabo mfeni pa nko sayim na osebo da newspapers so na nkofu bi ba no yodu ho ayade that's a fashion we a class we say people are going mad and they call it fashion. I call it madness. That was the day man respected brother me share me say brain to say you need ba no kutu store baby out na pesika wo man wo bompa ye rade bo me na nipa meto ade na wa ma baba we nye club na wote e ho nye strip club na baba wa ti mebutu fom ebu atopa jin na wotu sika gu ne so ne se wa wo baba na wo hye so wo ye sa me anye bia be yo de enti ma me kan tra wo se People now who are minding, this is what they support. This is what they portray. This is what they want you to know. This is what they were teaching your children. Me katremo se Cardi B ba oba Ghana emwaye. Obia ojina sa jina bia na baba won ojina no. Ahun me di na chi no so. Nti kuro bi baba mu no omo make sure say omo be ja ne se so wo ho anza na wo fi ho. Oti ase e ba started from students. E maya ne mrantie yes e say wo mo before be free ho no. E say wo mo sa de tie. Na akuya people when you be your mentor. When you yesimu be a mama no to ametie. When you make cry na mentor. Nipa who kunya na your mentor. Eye and say Cardi B. Enti won say wo mentor no suban na wo da na di every day no. Ke mu kura so abodam. The lady is crazy o. What the one this will be running once Ghana for. This will be running who say. Egu abonte na no fu so. Nti de ge yi bodam ni kura nansa bodam fo ni kura bi ani ate wo be hia no wakata no no wotima che wo babema enne Ghana fo nkola ne ye sharp wo akola wo ye so sharp no wa che abema 7 years no wa bo naked no wo nye jibifo bi so see friend photographer no no so chenchen no wa deje guso no wo banish a show face to face no wo sharp. That means you're doing more than that in the secret with your son. And they have to take this son away from you. Say America hanuma, Mr. Busa mentor Cardi B say. Some kwasiasma wudi ye no, so wudi no America. Mr. ne career no, ne die yo kan ne bakro no kan ne junction bi mu. Na Ghana ya ne see Americans, but some see Americans dia. Wa mu mra ne bi wo ho no, ma se de mu ye mo dia ne nyesa na tie o. And this sanity, get this. And this sanity that get you free boy to pan. I hear the name of one here neck. I feel the moment say a jeans a mo. I feel the name of the papa. Mo baby Andrew and a moving. I feel the Ghana for they call something trend. Me person me trendy. And then me my secret tobacco. Se nipa oti ho na anu nyina eka why you say yo me kan de atimi de ba nipa anu esori tia na onye ni tiri didim ene de okuta onyame asem eka onyame asem nipa mpenti omo sori tia no enam se nyame asem a wo de ba ma nipa sori tia ntu onyame beginam no wo defender onyame be ye shield no what protect you from the enemies. Say entisa nipa wasase so yiwo mienu. Anu ye di nchine di mokoi. Enye obi a ne bie na no ekasa ofa no tototo. Ye kura ye tie ye nyame nkofo before nyame betena ede obetena se kasa kire me nkofo no o ma oketrema mu apai. O ma oketrema eje den mfimfi. Nti woni wasam wotumi. Ukasa ebonipa akum ebu nipa akum ewure nipa emanitie nti uto wa obetutu bi afro wose metiu massacre sa metiu eni ewu nipa ne bi hoso they have evil mouth so we be na no kasa emwo odachi for when you share unia e say ebony and say wo so obi ne ku no say ebony gina wonyame gina mu ka be ye den say nipa oba wo no ebe kunge na free ho ni nyina ne se anu na esori tie ge na dosu nti e ma ne kra mu be ye ha nti eye ize se obi beji sanetio trend na musem pe no eye niam mienu eye wuwo ananko if you don't know ebi you don't know the secret of it sa anu nyina ka na ni nyina he na Satan bopinu na nya ade papa na wo ya ebebe nyame abegina mu a you will be in trouble if you don't know me amiti hey onyame ma meketrema ejade mfimfim okay me domia ebeye adwuma na mishira so ebeye adwuma eye two things nti metna tiem aka kire nipa se mon sakra mwadwen osoro ahenni na ben na wo ye bibi na sa nkofo ye omukuta mekatre mai bi nipa be ten e de wo ma no bewuram ekasa onyame bebre na so ase eti ase. Until you have to be wise. Everything that you're doing, if you say you better you, you better say Jahako. If you say you better you better say Jahako. Dear Kumi Kuran said, "Baby, be your only shin so." Bupino, Ubakone be if you nika. Minada. Bupino na ha dear. Ubakone if ye na your car and a business be all. 3 things. That's it. And your mommy and say, and it's so bad in the that's it. Nadine, you will be no. You want the original papa so, and I want the original boniso, the original boniso, one you crack a ye. Can you be new crack a ye? So what you say? Now the common phone to could be a me. What they would afraid to me, channel to be crank, be and see only no, who refuse crash or. Seko mwenye make maybe you mo sani ye hu me boa. But when try the akua pimpo no try we no Ghana no e wukrum no hwade. Man try no hwade. Suppose to share Americans wo mo nyema ni bi wo no mase bi mo ye no nye sanity o. Let me tell you. Nye sanity da. Kabana ubano, kauno, kawakasa, kawo case. Nana mama brown, coffee ne bano. I took room of wasum. Fox News, nedaso, meboa. Busa wose dinti no mo kasasa. Ko batan fe ne bano, e die nko anu muhuye. Ni nyina ne se. Krum ha, when they kiss their children, they don't put their tongue in their mouth. They do lip kissing. Say no way no. Ibu ho the cheek, ibu ho the mama so. Wo hie broni wo bedwam, no kuta ne baketoa. Na ne katra ma nam ne num nyina masa. When you're learning something, the entire ma wo friends at the end you disgusting. That is it. I have nothing against her. Wahwehwe bache ene wonya bi eye joy ne niaje, but you cannot put your tongue inside your baby's mouth and lick it through. No. And it's in the mouth of omo asem no. Aha, ye kiss ye man, we kiss them. Me wo believe I love that kid so much. He's so cute. I kiss him. But I don't use my tongue straight inside his mouth. No, I kiss him from lip. Manu say no, that's it. But I don't use my tongue and lick through. No. Nti the America phone who ya, e ma o mo kan sem no Fox News no. Nti ofi so o ma hypo. O ma mo wanya din. No. It means don't do that again. Love your daughter, that's good. We are all happy for you. But quit licking her with your tongue like this right inside her. No way. It doesn't work that way. The same thing in America, when a woo ban free with yam, a no correct abdejam na no nurse for the doctors of your wadegaso. But I know more quite say, who and what is that? Be wise. Make such a big answer for. Now I praise the Ghana for, and they say, child, for Mube Swasemimu, and yes, the Edika, you may be na Aqualano, or Bay Aqualaboni. Aqualaboni be also so a say or mine. And to move set the example from her so that the rest will learn something. A krumha star ye bibia ye use no as example. Ye the set example. But me my Ghana mudie, obi so ye star. Na o ye star bear. Girl no ye star what dear, and dear star no way. What kind of star is she? Because me who nego, what kind of start here India? Start here Angelina Jolie no the Jennifer Lopez no the India now. Which one? And then will be a man on the source of me star. Me say Okuapem mine. I love my Okuapem people. I love you guys so much. Every neck common taking action. Sa idi Okuapem na da polo so munyim free so. Yes. Because ne bunya wodi nyina ni di no unse maka nsopra I can't quit saying it. Until somebody mrabe gu kwam say mum pese lady ne be use idi Okuapem e woni di no so. Why? Niema oye no emfata Okuapem mine. Ni e decide no ato no so. Nti Okuapem for him for mo ho ene ahim for mo ho. Mesramo ene di mu e de kasa se ababa wani di no oda no so ne di oye no emfata Okuapem mine. Nti yenyi di no emfiri ne so enimoni mu ya. So you su di ne Okuapem anywhere yamfa ni nyina baby ompe. Because nadia oye no emwa Okuapem mine. Emwa Ghana mine na ensa mwa Okuapem mine. Nti Ghana be woni mesi asem de waho. So wo mototo na se a enyem no. Woni ni ndi enyem no. Enyem no because ye national security. Ye ndi what social media ye change your style na baba wa kitu obitima wo. This most of them they support all these things. Don't wanna support to Jamaimo. Don't wanna support all these things. And no one pay with them. No, Johnny be a bit in giant. No money, some make us say they don't like it. No. But when you're missing money, more friend Bonessa Papa. No friend Papa Sabone was Sandy Panudie. Yes, so any be yes, a Ghana Christo Suma, if three watch. When you when you pack a crave you on my brand so baby you will be. Christo Suma, oh, I could do a mind for Flobiso. He said, Can I get Christo Suma you? And you name is some mine, and the two mine. You say you go mine. I would dear mine, Mujacha mine. A different for mine, a conform mine. Sana Yamala for mine. Sana Gana, yes, I say. Sana Gana. Nankantisa lockdown about. You see, easy lockdown. Me what? Easy lockdown. I will be who to me call. A doom for from 6 to 6. No more. Aha, will be uncle, be a bus. You know, to me be a beer. Just keep your distance. Ah, sorry, Munko 1 hour. And also, Muncho Chodi, Muncheck it 1 hour. No swan, you be a pinamos and spray. We next now say, ye Christo so through mining. Get this. Get it. Nti se say the omumi will say as asori mum na kwa obi nya yare enye dwom enye biaba enye yiase no ai mama no chowa o mo say enye yi o still ayi no mo say enye na ya no mo hia ho ya no mo ye de o mo ko hia ho no ya no mo ye de o na manfo buru ntumpan mu no ya na o mo ye de o biaba na bie ye de yenti ha ena gamanche no ekotena epu mu refi ekoyi chamanyoba ku shishi nsa mu refi se wo mu ba amufra bosoma ma yale na fi ho satan ne edru say 20 kura na edru Ghana meboa ese bodru say mu keka ko 20,000 meboa last minute me mama kasa na me mama yesi Ghana o say o mama jai nipa no hu na ewu o mu kan ne kore You don't play games with the God that we serve. We are living in a dangerous time, and danger is ahead of us. It seems like you and me, nipa humpo. Nka de ekosui, nka Okuapem polo ye chichi mbodue mkura ka mejimi se. De ekosui, nka obia hye ne kokom bom pa yes na wede se wonhu ye mobo. But we did the bio, they support a Jamamo. A Jamayo and no mine support. And you be full and no mine support. And you matantai Obia se won ka ho asem. Gali won kwa asori. Asori be no okọ na ni na sofo di tichi no. O tichi ne se unya sika na nya din ya. Nti wono di oso obeje din di. Ti kwan bi obefa so a obeje ni din no obeje. Na no ena ebe say oh gali your friend say. Ni din ya na etoro bia. Fela me kafu yi o se fela me kafu yi. Oni ni kunu o se medical. Etna se jene se mpana chekore mo nipa. Nti abranti se de misi dono. Ma me ma no ho kwan na me ma ni hu se me wo mpanimfo wo fie. Na won koye me ho ade. Ababa we ya wo sori a wo bu ne party se kutripompo ni otare da hu. Abetna se ka se waye PTA wedding. Sister, ekuapime. Polo. Se de wuye. Ka we ye fela de bia ke boa wo pa. Wano de watna se agire se dabi. Me ntina wo me fa me kwa because me wo mpanimfo me fie. Ekobasa memwo manfere won. Ekobasa kwe wadi kra manfani di ama no. Enti ne me ma brante na ko me fie. Na wakoye me ho ade ne akase mo piafo wo be memu. Ni ya chia na kase wo mo. Okay? Mo be super gay. Ni nyina ne se mo fre boni se papa na mo fre papa se boni. So what you say? Nti wo dia wo ye na eye. Eno na Ghana for jiji so they watch it, they love it. Me tell me yi me ho nka ha ye message de. Ka ha ye message che. So we come on you ma chire wo nua no de dabi. They don't like it. So video be say they won't share. No. Ni nyina ne say wo come on you. But me yi me ho na me tia. Eye from tia fa na ha. Nka me I don't need to call them. They will come by themselves and they will share the video and it will go viral. In Sri Lanka, this is a niate. Yantra Oma Satan and Nada Yibim. Miss Rivra, this side, one more with Nimra also. Say, the Akui, the Akikakui, who ever me caught here, I will say, why in a way. Almost might be the Saint John. Saint John. Oh, Memoir. Bible is so kind. Say Hosea, say Isaiah. Or say a fear or hini Hosea who ye no. Me Isaiah me no ready. A fear say John a woo ye no. I was say MPP NDC a man move before if we ready. What you say? Because we be o Bible was say a fear and some or hini Hosea who ye no. Me Isaiah me no ready. Nti wo bi wu ama ye di wu urade di urade tumi ye di urade kese ye ene ni tumi sa wono na mankwa ono so na gini pa nkwa firi ni nsam nti se sadia na ni pe ko kasa se bu kukubu one day na won tumi bi na no wakasa e wo sese wo du po bi tutugu se ya e wo se wo mo muti no nyina wo hu urade. Yes, plain enye plain fa. Nobody knows. What we don't know. What Satan? We don't know. He said, Nabumu nekochrenado. Isaiah chapter 14, verse 10. O say, I can't asamando o henyan o kan hu beshia. No mutiemu ka say, hey! Who's going to say? Musa, why you say any other pay? Nti preach you cause what as is one thing and your bra. Was secretary ya sama and the more big. And so and a young debua. Na ye be show bra e shetra so. E chama no joa e show. E chama wia e show. E chama anopa e show. Spiritual remind who could travel to Jesus Christ to my etos me. And condition the whole chepe ho ni wo. E ho she. Assassin kokum nyekum. So what you say? Entine obadum baby o dada su ye so no. To when show nua no. Nim dia de kuta no. Nyansa no wo so no e lawyer meboa. De no wo ye the way wo sikasa ene he is no more. Nti se nipa na wu na Isaiah timi ka se afia ansa wo hene wo Isaiah hu ye no ninkaso ana de wuye eno na sa asama de beka no ho abehia wa eno besi se hon kokronso wode wo beto na bam no wode wakokokire e de say paradisi no wache Yesu Kristo maye to so mienu a eno so gina de waye wasasi so nti mon check the profile mon check the otuna asasi so na mo fam nsani ani na mo hu kwan a onam so we e was a boni pahu na ni partner se no wogine se nyeni nyina ni sika o nyeni nyina ni sika I got money na nsenya Canada Japan sorry ye ya o expose nkofoi mitimi transe dwene onam se papa yi obo adwuma na emu ono so ogine yie onyame won kase wa expose nkofo bi nti wo be fight the dibo so woni na ntete se de wo ka kire nkofo mene ne be kono pe so woni nyame na nkono pe na wo sleep say wom dan wo make us because you do this nti me spell no Masada because he is justice God. We nyame nyansafo na woni asemba ko bi no wo kan wo Bible mu ametibia na me machine eno na ma me di hu nipa Romans chapter 8 verse 9 wose obi ni Kristo honhom a tie ni bi waso se me mie volume na wose obi ni Kristo honhom a onye ne dia ote nti wo a wotena se na asase wo ho wo hwehwe wo nipaduam na Kristo honhom a yedi tu kosoro no ebi ni wo a wonya awurade dia wo entena se nya na me papa ena me good pa first kro na me bo adwaman na nse de magyae hwe wo mu hwe Kristo honhom eti wo masa we are not joking osoro hini na ben na de o waso no unti de honhom na kasa kira safo di woni aso de wonko hye di woni aso wonko wu wase woe unto people who call evil good and good evil woni wona wo fre boni se papa no wo fre papa se boni woni wona wo gigi adwama moso wona wo gigi e de say nipa kumso o gigi abortion so ekua na bema ni nyanware wa wanyim na bonwan de ye na ye hu bibi o so what you say ono ogigi boni so o hye boni nsam den se enye yie nti mo support ababa wa no nyina onyame se munnie so bi ka se dua nya kono obi a wo da ho ne ekwa na etwa no ho de miri fadio wo mu ihu da so te ase woni mienu onyame se dua nti dua fansa gu ti ne so. So what you say? We are not joking. We are not playing games. Now I don't blame anybody. I blame some of the pastors. And then can you throw? And woman jina be se they refuse. And this is what they show people. I will say we are sitting nyame shira me pa me wosika na se nyame shira e kas ni fie dia ene no nko nyame wosisi papa. Any Radibia me to what me papa. Because me tia Ellen the generous, Ellen, the America for Ellen, Mammy is a mice a woman, Mamia, what Jenny dear, yes, so to say, go see Mammy. Through Mudini, Mamia, or not what two in the Messiah just over in the Uncle Bay. What Jim Hunter, it will come him. Mammy will seek up papa. We will seek up papa. You knew a bit of 4x2x4 the beat. And you be no idea what the bragging with TV soon the radio see that be. We will seek up papa. It is a no friend in Shiradia. And you can radical higher papa. And you go in Shirae. Saying in Shirano, in Shirana the actually do go man in Congo. In Shirana Sanipan. In Shirana the issue nephew Jim. In Shirana the waffle woman Concon. In Shirana Sanipan. It is will be that the camp. Ubi sinifie o companies o mansions say you no nchira because and the boy for kranya bi na de kwakubu nsam ne kase yes mo range over no one dem bi nti say nchira ne sa ne ma we ya ene se kawrade ko di na mo me kame chira nye nchira no nti wo hia sofo bi a onyame ato no to krase a ne shoe enje no awia na nyame honhom tinimu a emu na nimtia wo na ye ka nhira woni sa nipa na wonam ha wo sofo na nkoko na etinimu wonam fom na wonfa ne nyeboge no wono na ye nhira se ye ka nhira because we see yes ni mo de mu nyire be hia sei ebe hia sei na wo so ba kokora ni wachi nti sa wo do to sa nyema we so wo boka walusu nti so nyame ka kire wo se kasi ni fie no odi ama wo se nhira de ne wa ha papa me de wa kan ne ya me sesa me nyame ka me ntina ha bi ka me wie kan me pon ka I will sign myself off but nhira kan ba de se wo de nkwaje ni firi so wo kuchiri yedi wo gwama ne nkwanwu but the name says Satan if you want what did he does so for the big property no I'm blessed I have mansions I have a beautiful wife I have this I have one mansion in America one in Europe one in Australia I have one in Kumasi one in Ghana I have Bentley I have Rolls Royce I have my private jet say you ni shira so no ye di kunkum nkofo antu beko no bi da chairmantis ba erade emusra no me pese mani bi me shankom ni nyina ne se obehwe obi nkom am ya manisika obehwe obi nkom ye friend papa adwene ne wotima wo de boss ampaye mada wo be ko story then na baba we ni bre bompaya ade se wo pebo ga bia ware no ana wo na buruchiri ne visa bia wo pe ana na ware bia wo pe na dwuma bia wo pe ni suku bi ni bibia wo pe eno ne ye wade wo hu na nkedi foto for ya sori ayema because wo se bra na wa bra bo ne be yiye ye do probu sika ni ye mamuluto no ma ni yesu bi no cement ye so magimi wo man kodwa so what you say ni ye do bo mani man kofo ni ye sika eno ne nipa ni jemu wose me ye papa one usa me wa ukowu ebra mu nsuo bra baje bi no kosuo kokko ni ye chema nkofo ni nyina ne se wo so oje obra bo be yeye iwia ne spray bibia gu nsam ye se we ye money oil ye di sudi afra ni ye di amount ye se ye money oil je nti wa nkohwe nyame o okohwehwe sika nti ama no money oil so what you say nti ebeda yiyi me pese me ma oti ase se empempenso yedru no we are living in a dangerous time the clock is ticking time is near we don't have much time left nti di oso okwa asore onyina yie di oso okwa asore onhwehwe Jesus Christ di oso ma bosom me pese me ma oti ase se to me bie ni bosomsom onyamese abosomsom eye nkosiasem sanam pese oti ase. The clock is ticking. Time is near. Jesus Christ is coming. Ye ni kurete wada. Ni mu de eba ne kire kwan e na ye hwehwe. Nti wo so tena sase so na wopemu niam nyina miska kire wo se odo be mema kwase se wo betu akosoro empare urade. Empare urade. Nti me ka kire wo ni tifo se hebra ye wo mu yi e ye breboni ne dwane to Jesus Christ. Na mo hia ge no muntu ne fo me se okuape man masasi so bi mo wonda ge no mo nyi edi okuape emfiri ne di polo so no mo ne bra because me respect me okuape fo pa me respect wo mo pa nti ahema fo nya hemfa mo okuape me okuape brothers and sisters mo wonder lady no wonyi di akuapem no na de oye no emfa de papa ento man so enye na akola no e wo se eje no o papa mo fa no ko ne papa mo fa papa woni fam na kwa so nye sa e kina obi baba be ye de sei mamo nye nhwe ha mamo nye nhwe ha na TV so for ye social media e de da ho otumi akọ e de say 1 million viewers na and the be ebe the more it goes no the more na wo de ken na kakraka wo masa se wo sakra ne kora adwuma wo ho the more you are trending no you are trending for Satan. It is a one year now sakra na adwuma bebre, and who knows you can finish it. Ono so se di obegina kosi wiye na meje no, and then me come for Jesus Christ amount emre yi ninka so me se akoyi nwuma me bon na no ante maya baba wa mesiswe mi si mi di ma ho ofa chinti no mesisi maso ama afutu obia mi yire me ho ami di memechi mi kwa hane na me ba ha china me bi esika obia me ba beji ako enani neni si otu mi fo se boatma mi si enyesa na dachi bi ebe hawo ena kan ye misi mi mpa beisem eja kan ye misi wabo munyai mi na mi nyimeni o sese mi hunya feti sekani no ememe mu biara mpeme mi maya nan obi eni eja na die chakrofo ani se misi mafayari a entiminsa boatma mi yedeni o mi koni pe mo anobi janie mi komi na fufu mo anobi janie mi si mi nyedeni o yetufu etia yetufu nese wentia dachi bi ubenu o mi si yetufu etia mi dofo yetufu nese wentia da chimbi ubenu hoae misuma ya brantia mesiswe midinsa no maye mejuma misinsa na menumo oso wa hwensa fedie waye ha wonye yare nti opie ne na fufuma na obi adwane enemi tufo ababawa slay queen a wo fi se wo no wa who knows down the road what's going to happen to you? Who knows what is going to happen to you? Bible count Proverbs chapter 20 verse 1. Or since say beautiful and Sunday way and talk up me. Who be able to one thing time when you answer. Into be to me book no afefeno. Obi to me book no aloko. Obi to me book na the bear madaso. Obi to me book na the yere anwa diane esiho. Miura aduane nie nhie de woro yensani no ohie nhie de woro yensa no adane ne nkwan de gufufu ho no wodi sa na nsa ye nipa ensa ma nipa jimi ensa ma nipa bodam ensa ma nipa vini straight. Get this, you hear me? And then nipa bebre atwie nsa no ye hwensa ebi hwetramo ebi no wi ebi no cocaine. It just say you name it. They say yeah, man not traso. But my friend, was who you with me? When you send the tune was saying, a punches will be saying you are dying. Or sorry, I'm not in the hunchi, or in the hunchi. Say when you send the who you want to know. Young you say, Uber book, I'm when young coupon and some amount. Uber bonam will be the tune before. Who feels so you be? Who needs a what would nip be young saying? Sensa mfaso so nka Solomon mame nko wantu ne banafo me kache wa brantie wasiso a waso wo me waso wo de wo mpadwuma wo be ye double money wo be ye sakawa wo be koso a na wo nya camera bi a wa kire kire se wo nyini che ye na ye den wo life the danger you don't know. So when je wo be wusa kokko she yare na mu wim enne yare ti me bo ode hye pa yempene mo bia nso nipa woni mo wo no ma hyegan ofita ne ekukuru ne de wakọ awudome me ka kire mo se dia mo yi ebedrum bi awudome me se ekwan na ho ne esie nipa eho be bo apeso sie dia bosomsom be hye nyame ebufuo ye die dwaman ewudie shibra pocha nsajiam ebe shenya mi ebufuo no masa enye kom. So what you say nti kakra ayese emo asija emo nketa asija shinkete tama bebo pie no ebe moni so beye mo ya ebe jom nsem munhu de munhu botano na mo de kurahye mu na minim se 2020 be ko na wie ye no na dia asie no na nya papa na misre wede se unhu mo bona ko ni mra wo so se wo pen sakra bia nka sabri na nipa sakra sabri yo na nka nipa ede ne ho ma awrade nso me man ga na se wo bia so wonti ade nyina ni yo nyina so bi wo de ne wasem nanim everything eso bi Hebrews chapter 4 verse 13 what's in the nyina eso bi everything is opening away ni nyankopon nanim ye wo ye no kokoam every secret thing you are doing is open eso da daja ewo nyame anim okay everything that you are doing eso da daja eso bi and let me two nyansafofo na me two bloggers medias me tumfo yes asantefo bu baby wo se de oto wo kotre ne ho nye hi se de ugina nchen ye wani gine mmaba wane de omo ye niemo na mo gina nchen ya mo hypo eniema no e ma no kɔ nim ka ba yama se wo be hypo tenene e ba yama se ka wo be spread wo nyame asem e ba yama the record na wo nam so no wo so nam so bi o you were the same page with that person nipa kora utimi stugu low eche camera si man so mu yi o etwitwa begu mun kama nto Pamela Anderson o sa hwan watara mun kama ntie bi ebra yi wo mun nyi nufu kase asem ne to kase asem kora ebra we you run for your life get this na mo stars bi amoye no Ghana kora de moye mane ye tan kora gas no mu bi moye mane ye tan enye fe mama star eye nya kono ya mumra America so bi kasi yesi we ye star na mun checking the records na mun hwe nipa do samba o deserve star enyi obia o free ekura bia si pie ya wonya hwe o se me obia ni no o se me ye star ni nyina ne se o gina second no mun kran ni kuma se onye gina ho no mun kakra ya o ye star nye no ne friend star ene e kamia metie me ye star chel opa because so we can nyame asem ne so we star na aka nyame asem na ani we star na we Christo ni we spread the gospel stars and they spread the gospel of Christ because ye nyame ma ni ye jiji so TV so ye dia ma wo no mo tena bo se nipa ye ho se ma wo mo sro radio o mo de wo man they use their lips. They use their lips and say we love God. But woman come pa o masajai. You back will not come Matthew chapter 15 verse 8. Matthew 15:8. You go. Matthew chapter 15 verse number 8. You go. What's it say? Or say, o mayi the one anofafa ne di mini na won akoma de atwe afiri me honko echiri oti oso wo man de wo man anofafa ene di mini but wo makoma de atwe afiri no honko echiri everade me da wase enye urade a me de amama ground here example me de hu ade oba ye urade me de urade ase wa ma me ba ebusiafo nyame timi ade nyina yo me catch no me my bro sister me super enu nyame achamade me su nyame sister me su me si nyame bre papam me so obeya mana broso obeya ma wankasa ubo sampa me se me de me mama se na me mama bro onyame ahye me nyam sei no mama me yefuru ni bia me susu ma wubia odofo ene me pese me catch o say nyame oni uhwe moda and you ask yourself what kind of for nyame is she praising? Obeji microphone, she will sing. Media sida bema, miji fu nyame. Ama, media sida bema, miji fu nyame. Ah, already one no di mi kono di mi ba. Yeah. Already mi si mi nyanya mi na mwa mi suro. Akwani na mo, mi na mi jimi tata. Media sida bema, miji fu nyame. Minia, mi si mi testimony na nyasa mkito. Di nyamia yiye minia. Nyame bitumi ayi bia ma wachi. Next minute you see her secular music. And you ask. Also, woman the one and fafa. But woman kuma akumano. And you walk, they say it, they just say it. A few woman no back, but they just say it. Upiwa sorry them woman microphone. Me come somewhere mama brown we pitch you. The way she will sing, the voice that she have. Or best singing. Next minute, she's somebody else. And you ask yourself, who is this lady? I don't think so. Go back to where say next minute, no play secular music. No bunipa. No check it. Next minute, she will sing gospel. She will preach you. And to us, woman, woman, no fafa in the Yimaye. They just brag with their lips, but their heart is far from me. I command me radio. Ah, this will be a kabi. Mamma Cocassin, Yamishame, or Mammy Bar, Mammy Cocabi, or be a kabi, or do us on the microphone. I'm asking you, Yamia, Mammy Bar, and you be behind the two of Solomon for. Or my near marcher. No moves and near my next minute, baby, a man of property, next minute, no side baby for secular music. And you ask them, Yamina wouldn't know Fausano. Yami, no, we did not talk at the side front by which is the Kushia, more than on left and right. The day will come. A day will come. This man will come down. A soon boom, Nasasia Jeso. Asasi be woso e me wiase wiemu ni mu fitiase die nyina be hye sei o se nsoma betete gu fam e da no odombere manim e be bufu nipa hu boto anu o de crash mu e da no be ye hu manipa. Jesus Christ is coming. O be tie nipa de boyefo e boni soka na ka me fi se free sabre no na mama brown na TV so a onyame asem nko. But look at Danny. So when you see her, what's Miss Rebrade? But the way the things you do tells us to say no. It's your lip, it comes out. And you're easy. To say it is easy. But to perform, to do it, in your come. So what you say? Said you can show no. And they say, friends say, show big, right? Nanka obi wa no frɛ sibia sofo na mu preach e de testimony kwa mfa so wo ye e ka na nipa 7k be gu so at the time ka wo win souls. They won't do it. They won't do it, but meet her. Oh, your daughter is so cute. Me see the nyame me di o man no so e che wo ni esichire and nti wo betinten oso me kwamete makonyame no makosere na de o de mama I can come back to my same old life. Ada ye nyame aye bia ma na mai o wi enye no sa ye ni same old life ti nyame di utumi ye ma na wo wi na o sa akọ ntutu bra ho se kakra bia o ye bibi ma wa then you go back. O nyame yin si na chechi o si kotubodwe I will spit you out from my mouth. Be wise. You were in the millions of four. Unimbebi ubia. Akume kuta ubia. He knows everything. He knows everything. You move a bray, I saw go for. You move a bray, I said default for. Oh, ni panso bosom hyase o tiam Christ Bible de kuta no so say na yebodi o no de koto won wa change na for Bible. So what you say? All these things goes on. Oboso is here, and then oboso. So what you say? Nti that subana before the same thing. So and then I'm control before. I made the name Bokoko. Se bra ye woman no emu yesum. E bra ye woman e ye breboni. Oso he did not beg. We don't have much time left. We are living in a dangerous time, and danger is ahead of us. Until me catch now say, run for your life before it's too late. Run before it's too late. Your Bible look at Isaiah chapter 13, verse 5. Isaiah chapter 13, verse 5. People don't know what they don't know. Isaiah chapter 13, verse number 5. 13:5 oside oso wo firi achirichiri asase so ne osoro awieye reba erade ne nebufuhye akode no se orebe sai asase nyina muncha ajo tie muncha ajo na erade da no aben ereba se osai a efiri otumfo no enti ense nyina emu bego na odasani biara akoma ebe nane na won ho bedwiri won nkitenkete ni awreho bekuta won obehunu ya se ose obehu ya se owofo a oreko awo obehwehwe won ho anim ha won anim beyese ose ojaframa anim hwe erade da no ereba etirmodin ni edibre ni ebufuhye se orebe dane asa sefo na wasei eso aneboyefo a ofiri eso ote di erade beye no wose da no nipa nim ebeye sija ejaframa awrewo ni hunsuro ebe kuta nkofo ebe kan se obi awo akan awo babewo se awo de obi na obabewo ya na ya hongo ewrade asimi nti se sai na mi ekuta bufuhie eni breda e de basa siso dia be wise tam na yo woni so we are living in a dangerous time de bia me bia ma no we are living in a nipa me fi se media bro die be huntia osuri be bomb amasase ageso nye komo na nsa ye montenkra na musi asase wo so yi omusi asase wo so mi boa me kachro obofu si asase so e wo so die ga na ye onyame asoma se ye mehwese ye no kora ti wo de ne nesi we ho be wo so nti mu hu asase wo so kakra bofu bi esikuru mu be hade nti na mo ti sheki kakra no o be hwe se ni so onyame tene so no e ye no kora na so de report ni ko no onyame jebu si wo be chi ni paso masa hu ni botan na de kurashi uti o be hade bofu bi esifom o be hade nti ho shiki kakra ni hu no e kwa shiki kakra o be witness erade se dia mete no ko gana ko hwese ye no kora dia mete wo masum e di foto fo ye de bafo bi o ba pemfo ye mu ne ba ti se dia ben yo ko ye ne ko ni kuti se ye no kora ko gana sase no so ko ha dia mami ko ne kuti asamu a de say oh ye frɛ boy yi say manase abetena ne tu e kan ye se obofo odi amono kokwanchi odi amono wode ne nua ye saboa e ma ne fiti kama no ko asase no so ko hwese ye no kora go there and check be investigators no wo nyame se manase ne kan ye oboa me so me boa na asemu ye me ya se ne tufo muso mu evidence abranti ya betena se abi na no se kire ne se aduasa o se ya no mi mo wudi sa o kwakwanchi odi amono mi mo wudi sa what to say, or can't send me. Ntika mwem na mwadi. Muwie na mpia na tonche. And inti me say me so interest. Which is the nipa so nyame so obeyade a. Oye kodre wiye. Nipa de wo dudu ntwimfia na wajai. Nti me say me da so kuta Canada Japan o sha de sia wontumi wie me eda so kura. Onwie. Koso ben yo akose say yenim de akosie. Wode bafo bi o ba pemfo ye mani mu so yi ne ba. Yenim omuhwehwe mu koye ye. Di akosie manase ne kan manase iti wo mu yi. Yenim di akosie. Oba ye obofo apawa. Owie ya no yi wono no de no mo masi nchen kwapia na aboa. Wote ase eho menti ase. Na samoso mo ba ya ene ni mamu nko ho kra. Samu be start ade no mu ntumi finish de and you don't go there. You see all these things. And ti amakulusi o makoka meka asori papa. We dina wo bufu ne asori yesi amu 1 hour na nyubia asori fa nipa 5 me papa ko si wu asori dem o fa nipa 25,000 na so wo fa nipa 100 within 1 hour. Unim se de me papa si preachi wo preachi so wo pe wo suma bo na papa yi hunkuko yusu na hunkuko atan ni mo yusu only 1 hour o de mumra so ye komu a say e de say ayi Christian cancer na de samra na koy nti Christian cancer for nyamo ni ewrade na nam e koy ewrade fa so ye na dwuma nti Christian cancer nti mo nim nti ewrade ye manetan ada Yesu be pie wo wiem no ahu anwanwa sem besisi misre ewrade say Oma we nimra wo so. We are living in a dangerous time. And danger is ahead of us. Edano ebe ye hu se. Wote popopo na wonyankopon ene na bofo wo so nyina de wo sebo ne totorobento ano so ebuba nyakomo. Wo se dano na tade ehye no ye de abom mogem. Asantefo so mo ni bere mo so mo ni abere mo tra kobene mebo. Onyame de wo so won fa ne de won fa sudi ne beche wo de bom mogem tenkon. Wuti ase adane ne ni jaframa nyakomo ne katema dana nyuma ye nkrante wo ebebu ba mamai nyakomo wo de dibre na ba wo obichi ni pop de boyefo ebo ne soka nti get ready nti ne nshira no so wuti ase mbise so wuti bi jane ekoto Jesus Christ obehu mobo because wo se mo ma ye adwuma bre no mo so mo ne so bre mo na me nche na mema mo home. So what you say? So what you mean, Janet? John 3:16. Or say you don't go do we are sinning. So what did the double one of Chronomai? No be a virginity and onion, Obinia Danko. A semi. So what Janet to Jesus Christ? But near way in our guy or the one better. Let's what say? No more young couple bunny and Tamamasa. When you got on the crashing. So what you say? Yadi could you wear no from one very sick and on fellow politician. On fellow hene, on fellow the four bia. When you badger doorstep on farm, so no query. Until we cry soon. We cry each a signipa. It's not no jibby. No who say, Sassi, I have a sweet, and your honey better, your baby go. And yes, Sadia, let me prepare a place so that I can have a place to sleep. A quite soon I'll be to me, baby. I just told you, Jesus Christ, Yame Bakrono, Ujini. So what you say? Or no kuto the bema baby at no. Let's out to see so a baby. I'm a flesh here and 40 you could be. And 40 you could be and your baby at that and a them. Fooling yana AC, big cars. Adam. Now a clear 2 more that chick. You could chill to Juno. Why she shut number mamma, 1 more papa. One of my fans are good in this. Ono ka no fie ni nyina wo sori beti na nim wo na tena fom sentim na ka say ai say de me bre nyina me fam ba kokora kusu sa ni ma ni nyina gu wo ne fa wo se guti twa dwadwo so na mo wo be wu no bia mmre no be fa me ka say wo yire wo fe na kwabra ni amba wo se ma me mpa no mu change edem ha kala mu ntwi ni yie na mo fa hwehwe ma ha o ti ase o sha asase ni kukum ni eduani na obi so bia wo mpa so ebi kura wo makra wo fo munya hwe no wo japani sika wo brepe na wo yiri tetema ne di na to panti wo be yom bo ene me kan fu Jesus Christ am be wise. We are living in a dangerous time. Na me say ababa wa kuapem Polo me say ekuapemai o man yi di de kra mfiri so me ma bra me ye firi so. So what you say? Be wise na se Ghana mra so any would this way a star no mu je jawa me so me nkasa. What you say? Yesu yinim de ebe ye tie ma na ju so fre wrade say ye kasa wo mo no nchekra na se muso mo be na mo kire no mo do ni pa ko say yimu sa wo nko a wonti ni pa do be ko say yimu o ja me nkasa maye. That is my prayer. So one person thing ni pa do be di chi ako say yimu o ja me sorry na won kasa maye. On kasa maye unsa de bi e ba e hu musie timi esi be wa e hu musie na mo hu ne nkran na nsan ya kakra bi e boboba na bia be so ni mo ahemfo no ene abosom no mu no ma alafo no mu no mo be mo bose ntine run for your life and the kakra bi say Bible so ni tifo hu bone e beba na odi ne ho hinta wo de wo pa ya tete kwa ne nyem na obenyem asotwe nsima maka nyina pa me mfa didi matem na ya tete kwa ne obenyem asotwe oti ase wo ya tete kwa emu asotwe obenya obeyi ni tifo obedwane to Jesus Christ mo behu bobo wo tie mu ko nkuto dwane me rade hu me bobo odo mo ni nyina be chawo nkai bi nti ababa wa ko yi ni nsengu why appointment me bo Fred doctor ne se wo ma asese wodwe sister brother na wo frɛ wo yere me bo oso no be hia hotel Fred ne se wo ma eye so what you say Fred ne se wo ma ni nya utididi anye sa wo case nti misre politicians aban mu mpanimfo eni kuro no mani munyamfo se mo se John awudia ene na afia ansa ohene Hosea hu yi etwase Isaiah ohune Awurade etwase kuro no mani munyamfo ehu Awurade na mo kai hu se de obeye wasase so bia wo edamansankom uchumu ni betere ye pe ubo degree ko chiko breman one day you will leave this earth nti misra se shishawajibwa na okra baby. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. God bless you. Erade me da wase. Ishawa ni munyame okese. Me maudi no so peja wo me kro me tontom nkonkron. Me da wase so obefa me mu edi djuma so nte se. Eni munyame yeye enase ne kanfo nkaudi mi so se maseni nkogwa sase paso. Na so emoho na yemfa waseda eni. Me da wase so wadi nkonim. Ija metifo nyina de wo mo hya wonsa. Erade hu mo bo omko nkoto dwanim tie mu kira wa. Jesus Christ Dumbo ni friso muso ni tie wonde ni hwimo mo kra efrijem me do wose so watie me wadom nti amen.